Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. This video is all about how to grow and care for Peperomia the right way, and you would see everything with updates. I am going to discuss about two different varieties, Peperomia Rosso and Peperomia Caperata. This is how the plant was looking just after buying from nursery. Let's report it today. To repot the plant, selecting this 6-inch wider and 6-inch deeper pot. We can also grow them in smaller pot, something which I did with Peperomia caperata. Selecting a good potting soil mix is extremely important, and I am taking 3 different components in equal part. First one is peat moss, and instead of this we can use coco peat. Second one is vermicompost, and last one is perlite. Please note that many peperomia survive as epiphytes, means they grow on other living and non-living things. That's why I am not using any garden soil. Please take time to prepare the soil mix, as in most cases peperomia dies because of bad soil mix. Let's repot the plant very quickly. Repotting done, and next I am going to keep the plant only under indirect sunlight. Please avoid keeping your plants under direct sunlight. This is an update after 45 days. Peperomia is a very slow growing plant, so please have patience. Plus, I repotted them in January. If you repot them in spring, they will be growing bit faster. Anyway, the plant is slowly growing and looking quite good. This is an update after 75 days, and here we can see the cute little flower spikes. Here is one of my other peperomia plant which I repotted the same day. This one is looking much fuller, as we can see. The color is just amazing. We also need to be extremely careful while watering. Before watering, please check the soil and it should be dry, something as you can see on this footage. Today I am also going to apply liquid fertilizer. For that, using this seaweed extract, and it's available on Amazon. The dose is 5 ml in 1 liter water, and please try to apply once in 25 to 30 days. I have been doing the same thing. I have repotted the other plant, means Peperomia caperata, the same way. And just after buying the plant, this is how it was. As I already provided updates of 75 days for Peperomia Rosso, I really don't think that you'd like to see the same thing once again. Anyway, both plants did quite well, and I am glad they grew nicely. Just like you, I also love to grow many indoor plants. In case you want info about more indoor plants, please check out the next playlist, and there you are going to find many more videos. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.